Today I want to share with you how I went from $0 to $100 an hour in only 1 week and a $1 upfront investment using this tool. Let's be honest, we're all looking for extra income. Should I start selling online? Should I sell digital products? Should I start a YouTube channel? We've all looked it up. Throughout the years, I've tested a lot of them and failed at a lot of them. And turns out, 6 years later, that it was my hobby that was gonna help me succeed. So one night, I'm scrolling the marketplace looking for, I can't remember what, and I come across a golf set that this guy is giving away because it's rust. I've always been a very handy person, always looking to repair something around the house or make something better or restore things or refurbish things. So I was like, why not? The guy lived a couple of minutes away from where I was and the kit was free. I didn't know what I was gonna do with the golf clubs afterwards, but I didn't really care because that's what I love to do, right? I was gonna make a weekend project out of it and I was super excited. I didn't really know what I was doing, so I bought myself this $1 sanding pad. Side note, I've tried a lot of sanding pads and papers since I've started, and turns out the first one I bought was the best one and the one I'm still using today. It's actually a sanding sponge, which is perfect for golf club curbs. After just a couple minutes of sanding, all the rust comes off super easily, and I realized that the golf set I have is actually in a very good shape. I know nothing about them, so I start looking online to see what they sell for, and they sold for about $100, but the ones I saw in these ads were in worse shape than what I had. But I was like, hey, now I know what to do with them. I'll just finish cleaning them up and put them on sale for about $110 and we'll see what happens. They sold an hour after I posted them. So that's when I realized maybe my price wasn't high enough. And remember, I had just bought a $1 sanding sponge, that's it. And I had spent maybe 10 minutes on that club set. I'm thinking this is beginner's luck. I came across a free set of good golf clubs that sold well, but it's probably not gonna be the case for the next one. I figure I could spend just $20. It still leaves me with $90 profit, so I'll test it a second time. So I find myself another set of clubs for $20 this time. I cleaned them out with that same exact $1 sponge. Look it up online, see that they also sell for about $100, but this time, considering they sold so fast last time, I posed them for $120. And again, they sell in the next couple hours following my post. So now I'm like, wait a minute. I might have something good here. So I try a third set, then a fourth, then a fifth. With my $1 sponge, I end up with a $2,000 profit at the end of that month. And I have to say, I work full-time and I have a family. So I only put 1 hour per weekday on this hobby. So that's 20 hours that I put in, a salary of $100 an hour, doing something I absolutely love. My point is, if I'm a full-time working mom that was able to do that in such a short time, you can too. Go around the house, find your sponge, look at the tools that you already own, and search online to see what you can do with them. You got cleaning products? You can probably find stuff at the thrift stores that you can clean and resell afterwards. So find your passion, find your sponge, be patient, it'll come. If you don't know where to start, drop a comment, tell us what you love to do, and I'm pretty sure this community will help you find a way to make income out of it. Until next time, this is Fairway Flips. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you very soon.